Now we honor our first category of winners. The top selling category are divided into two subcategories: overall top selling funds and top selling RSP funds. The award-winning funds in these two subcategories are what have been popular amongst FSM1 investors in the past year, according to their sales volume. Beyond that, the three top-selling RSP unit trusts are the ones that FSM1 investors have had the most trust and dedication in for the past year, investing in them on a regular basis, making sure of a dollar-cost averaging strategy. Who are the winners? Let us find out.
Thank you, FSM1, for the kind recognition and partnership. From being viewed initially as a niche strategy amongst the broader global fixed income spectrum, the Fidelity China High Yield Fund has grown to become an effective portfolio building block for many investors seeking access to high-yielding Chinese bonds, and as a result, seen notable inflows over the past few years. The Chinese bond market, as many would attest to, is not the easiest to navigate, and fortunately at Fidelity, high-quality research allows us to understand and manage the market idiosyncrasies better. The 37-member-strong Asian fixed income investment team, 7 of whom are China-based, has given us the ability to carry out our credit research, trading, and portfolio management activities to the highest standards and effectiveness for the benefit of our investors. Once again, we thank FSM1 for endorsing the fund and to our investors for your kind support and trust through the years. Thank you.
On behalf of First Sentier investors and investment teams, thank you FSM1 for the awards. This award is a testament to the team's investment process and philosophy. At First Sentier investors, ensuring the long-term interest of our clients is at the center of all that we do. We are grateful for the trust our clients have placed in us, and we look forward to continue building on this success. Thank you for your continued support.
Good evening. On behalf of UOB Asset Management, thank you FSM1 for recognizing our funds. We are truly honored to be here tonight physically to accept this. Asian fixed income continues to be an essential portfolio allocation in anyone's diversified portfolio. With markets going through a rough period year to date, credit selection and portfolio diversification is essential in light of rising idiosyncratic risks. UOB Asset Management remains strongly committed in providing some of the best-in-class solutions for FSM1 investors, and we thank you for your continued support over these volatile times. We also remain firmly rooted to our purpose in creating value for our investors and communities, and to help them achieve their goals and aspirations. Our vision is to be a trusted asset manager in Asia, leading in both innovation and sustainability. And on a separate note, to embark on new frontiers, UOB Asset Management has taken meaningful steps since 2019 to expand our ESG teams and deepen capabilities in sustainable investments, frameworks, and stewardship. Actualizing our ESG capabilities and expertise, come September 2021, we will be announcing our latest initial offering to retail clients, a Singapore ESG fixed income product. So do stay tuned. Once again, thank you for your trust and confidence with UOB Asset Management. In these inconvenient times, I wish all FSM1 investors good health, happiness, and may you achieve your investment objectives with a UOB Asset Management fund. Good night.
Congratulations to the winners in our top selling category of awards. Now let us honor our winning funds in the best risk-adjusted returns category. The winners in this category reflects unit trusts that have performed well over the past 3 years. Here at FSM1.com, we believe it is important to analyze a unit trust's performance based on a minimum 3-year track record, and hence, the unit trusts in this category were based on the data from end March 2018 to end of March 2021. These unit trusts not only performed well, but also had the ability to manage volatility and risks. Last but certainly not least, the Investor's Choice Fund House of the Year Award recognizes the asset manager that has brought about the most overall value to FSM1 investors, which includes helping them achieve their desired investment goals and rise above market volatility. Who are the winners? Let us find out.
On behalf of BLACKROCK, it gives me great pleasure to be here this evening to receive the Best Risk-Adjusted Returns European Equity Award at this year's FSM Choice Awards. We would like to thank IFAS and the FSM1 team for recognizing the strong performance of BLACKROCK BGF European Fund and the deep expertise and capabilities of our European equity investment team. We would also like to take this opportunity to thank all investors in BLACKROCK funds. As a fiduciary to investors and the leading provider of financial technology, we from BLACKROCK hope that by using our solutions, we will help more and more people in Singapore experience financial well-being. Thank you very much and stay safe.
We are deeply pleased and honored to receive this award from FSM1. On behalf of Lion Global Investors, we would like to thank FSM1 and our investors for their continued support. Our achievement has been made possible because of this confidence in the Lion Global Singapore Trust Fund all these years. 2020 was a challenging year. The COVID pandemic resulted in intense market volatility, and to win this award amidst such market condition means a lot to us. This award is a testament to the team's hard work and consistent performance. Looking ahead, we are positive on Singapore equity market. We believe Singapore is well positioned for growth on recovery opportunities in a post-pandemic world. Once again, thank you for placing your trust and confidence in Lion Global Singapore Trust Fund. We wish you good health and please stay safe.
Thank you, FSM1, once again for the recognition of our funds, this time in the equity category. The past 2 years has been difficult for investors as markets dealt with the volatility brought about by COVID-19 over and above the fundamental challenges encountered by businesses worldwide. Amongst these conditions, it is important to note again how fundamental research plays a part in sieving out longer-term winners from losers, and in doing so, we aim to provide our investors with optimal risk-adjusted returns. Particularly for the Sustainable Asia Equity Fund, this core Asian equity strategy is not just built on Fidelity's strong research expertise, but also on the firm's wholesome ESG engagement approach, which has been well integrated in our research process. It is our belief as a firm that as we carry out our day-to-day research activities to generate value add for our investors, we can simultaneously influence positive change to the companies that we research and invest in by engaging them in areas where sustainable practices are concerned. We will continue doing our part for the industry, and we thank FSM1 and our investors for your confidence and endorsements. Thank you and best wishes.
Hi, I'm Priscilla Poon, Institutional Sales Representative with Wells Fargo Asset Management Singapore, a business unit of Wells Fargo Bank NA Singapore branch. We are so honored to be awarded Best Risk-Adjusted Returns US Equity for Wells Fargo US Large Cap Growth Fund by Fund Supermart Singapore this year, and also to be included in the recommended funds list for 2021 and 2022. Being recognized by Fund Supermart Singapore is an honor, and we look to deliver a best-in-class experience to our clients in Singapore. The Wells Fargo US Large Cap Growth Fund offers a power of long-term compounding through investing in businesses on the right side of change. The team believes that innovative companies with superior fundamentals are frequently mispriced in the equity markets. As a result, the long-term growth prospects of such companies are commonly misperceived. Through intensive fundamental research, this mispricing is the key anomaly that the team seeks to exploit through its investment process. A special thanks to Fund Supermart for recognizing our investment capabilities, and to our US equity team for producing excellence in the Wells Fargo US Large Cap Growth Fund. On behalf of all of my colleagues at Wells Fargo Asset Management, thank you for this award.
I'm Jacqueline Goh, and I oversee the retail distribution arm for the Singapore funds business at JP Morgan Asset Management. On behalf of our firm, we would like to thank you for your kind support over the years. It is truly our honor to be receiving this award for our JP Morgan China Fund. JP Morgan's history in China began in 1921 with the opening of an office by one of our predecessor firms in Shanghai. That laid the foundation of a century of investments, insights, and on-the-ground research. This award is truly a recognition of our global expertise and unrivaled investment capabilities in the region. Our JP Morgan China Fund seeks to capture the best quality and growth opportunities in both the onshore and offshore Chinese equity markets. Our China equity strategies are formulated through disciplined fundamental research coupled with bottom-up selections. We have investment teams located in Hong Kong, Shanghai, and Taipei, cultivating collaborative partnerships with local experts in China through the sharing of knowledge and insights. As of the end of June, the fund has outperformed its benchmark across virtually all time periods, whether it be 3 months, 1 year, 3 years to 5 years. Since its launch on 31st of March 2005, the fund has delivered annualized return of 13.8% with excess return of 2.1%. Amid the global recovery, North Asia has emerged as a key focus for some investors seeking growth. China takes the spotlight with relatively attractive long-term investment themes in its equity markets. Growing domestic demand, import substitution, and technological advances are likely the key considerations for investors seeking to optimize China's potential in their growth portfolio. We thank you once again for being on this journey with us and look forward to your continued support.
It's been 20 years since we've established a working relationship with FSM1, and thanks to the support of all of you out there, we have been able to grow together with them and you. The award for the best risk-adjusted returns in Japan equity demonstrates that value and growth can be found in all places, even in Japan equity, which hasn't had much love from investors for a good number of years. We firmly believe that as good investors, we need to be able to filter out the macro noises and focus on the strengths of the businesses which we invest in. Thank you for voting us as the Fund House of the Year, especially this year as we transit from First State Investments to First Sentier Investors. Just as we've had a wonderful growth journey with FSM1, we trust that our clients also had a wonderful investing journey with us. Here's looking forward to continued support from all our investors. Thank you.
Congratulations to all winners. We are now coming to the end of FSM Choice Awards 2021. But before you go, we would like to let you know that you can celebrate with us with our unit trust promotion. from 12th to 25th of August 2021, receive $10 worth of bonus units for every $10,000 invested in any of the 11 winning funds from FSM Choice Awards and 45 recommended funds. To find out more, head over to our website www.fsm1.com. And with that, thank you for joining us at FSM Choice Awards 2021, and good night.